Standard 3rd SST Chapter number 8 Festival. A large number of festivals are celebrated all over India. Means in India there are different festivals we are celebrating. We wear new clothes, sing, dance and have fun on festival. Means when festival it is there, at that time we are wearing new clothes. For example, at the time of Diwali we are wearing new clothes. At Raksha Bandhan also we are wearing new clothes. Okay, there are many different festivals. At that time we are wearing new clothes, even dancing and having fun on the festival. It is the time when the entire family comes together to enjoy the occasion. Entire family, it means our relatives also, relatives are also coming, our neighbors are also coming, and we are celebrating all together to enjoy the festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in our country. Festivals may be national or religious. Means, for example, national means 15th August, 26th January, okay, and religious means Ganesh Chaturthi, then Durga Puja it is there, then Eid is there, okay. So different religious means it is according to our religion. National festivals are celebrated all over country. Some festivals are celebrated in certain states only. Birthday of great Indian leaders are also celebrated as festival. For example, leaders means, for example, I am giving that Gandhiji is there, so we are celebrating 2nd October, okay. So in the same way here they have given national festivals. For as I told you that national and religion festival, right? So national festival which are coming, Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. They are celebrated with the true feeling of patriotism all over the country. Means 15th August it is there, 26th January it is there, 2nd October it is there, okay. Now Independence Day, 15th August is celebrated in India as Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, India won independence from the British rule. Means before that our India is ruled by the Britisher. But on the day of 15th August 1947, India won independence. Okay. Every year this day is celebrated and a function is held at Red Fort in Delhi. This is given picture that Red Fort it is there. So every year on 15th August function is held at Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister holds the national flag and give a speech to the nation. Means on 15th August Prime Minister holds the flag. You can see this flag, okay, and Prime Minister are giving speech also to the nation. On this day, we remember all freedom fighters who gave up their lives to the country. On that day, we are remembering the freedom fighters that at that time who fight with the Britishers and all. And at that time, we are remembering all the freedom fighters on 15th August. Now it is given Republic Day. Here Republic Day means Republic is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, a grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. The Defence Force, schools, children, folk dancer and tableaus from different states makes the day grand. Means on Republic Day, it is celebrated on 26th January as Republic is celebrated on 26th. On this day, a grand parade is held in the Rajpath in New Delhi. Grand parade means parade they are holding, and the Defence Force, school children are also coming. They are doing folk dance. Folk dancers are also coming. Tributes from different states makes the day grand. If you want to see this, then you can see in news also on 26th January. So you will see all these activities what they are doing at that time. Children who have been awarded bravery awards from the president and also a part of the parade. Means those children who are bravery. So presidents are giving awards to them. Okay. Now Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. When Mahatma Gandhi born? on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. In the beginning only I told that national festival sometimes we are celebrating, for example, birthday of the great Indian leaders, that I said that 2nd October. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. A prayer assembly is held at Samadhi at Rajgarh in Delhi. You can see that here they have given picture of Rajgarh. So at that time here they are doing prayer assembly at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at the Rajgarh in Delhi. Prayer meetings are also held over the country. The president, the prime minister and other offer prayer at his Samadhi. So on 2nd October, who is coming here to prayer for prayer? President is coming, prime minister and other offers prayer. If we want to, then we can also go and do prayer. Now MCQ it is given, when is the Republic Day celebrated? So when we are celebrating Republic Day? On 26 January. So right answer is, we have to do tick mark here, on 26 January. Now religious festival. Religious festival means Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Guru Purab, Eid, Christmas, Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti are some of the religious festivals in our country. They have given here examples of the religious festival. Now Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. You can see this in the picture as we are firing firecrackers. Okay. It is said that it is celebrated to welcome Lord Rama. On that day, why we are celebrating and why we are doing that diyas and all? Because on that day we all have, means before many years, people have welcomed Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana to Ayodhya from exile. Exile means when they went to the forest for how many years? 14 years. And after 14 years they went back to Ayodhya. So in the coming back of Ram, Lakshmana and Sita, they have celebrated, means they have light the lamps and all, and they have welcomed Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman. The goddess and wealth, Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. On Dhanteras we are celebrating, right? So at the time of Diwali we are celebrating Dhanteras also. People decorate their home with diyas, candle and light. We are doing diyas, we are putting candles also and light, series and everything, right? So at the time of Diwali we are doing all this.